Hi guys, Ford Focus RS Mark 3. Let me show you how the Ghost Immobiliser works on this one. There's a lot of people that said they don't work on the Ford Focus. I can show you it working today. So I'm going to try to start the car. I've got the key with me. Try to start it up, not going to do anything. You can hear me pressing the start button. It's completely dead. So I've got to wait a few seconds and I'll show you how it works. So, ignition on. Just put the code in. You'll see the two flashes. Perfect. Now I'm going to try to press start button. And there we go. We're all started up.